What's up, everybody? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back. I am back with another video for you guys today related to one of my favorite topics and series here on YouTube. Once again, how to install jailbreak applications without a jailbreak. Today I'll be showing you how to install themes for your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch without jailbreaking on iOS 13 using a really cool, useful app called iSkin Themes for iOS. Now, whenever I jailbreak my devices, especially older iPhones, one of the first things I typically do is customize the device and change the look and feel of iOS with themes or customizations, and we can do this today without a jailbreak and without even having Cydia. So, that said, I know you guys are going to enjoy this one. Now, as I do in many of my videos, I will be covering as much information as possible in this video, specifically related to themes without a jailbreak for iOS, as it's been a few years since I covered the theming aspect of iOS on my channel. Now, because we have moved through a few versions of iOS in the past few years, I always like to do these update videos so that you can see what's changed with the install methods and how exactly they work, and that they still work on the current versions of iOS. This particular method, using iSkin, is extremely easy for anybody to use, and it still works generally the same way in iOS 13 as it did in previous iOS versions. Now, just real quick before we get to the install process, guys, if you're interested in these types of videos, please subscribe to my channel with bell notifications on, as well as give this video a thumbs up. Doing this and engaging with my video makes YouTube push my video out to as many people as possible, and I really appreciate the engagement. It's what enables me to make these videos for you guys each Tuesday. I upload videos every Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so check back then each week for the latest updates, and also leave me your comments below with videos that you want to see. Also, be sure to check out my other videos and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, my website, and my social media profiles below the video to see other exclusive updates. Appreciate it. So if you're familiar with this series at all on my channel, you may recognize the install process that comes with installing jailbreak apps without jailbreaking, but as always, typically you need to download an installer from Safari on iOS, which acts as a Cydia alternative or app store, and allows you to download a selection of apps through profiles that typically would be available with a jailbreak or with Cydia. The good news is that these install operations are very similar to installing apps from the App Store, as once you have the installer app installed, you can download additional apps, tweaks, or themes in this case, directly to your device as if you were using Cydia or another installer. Now, the process I'm going to show you in this video is very similar to the previous ones, and I hope you will find it as easy to use as I have. I think it's well worth it. Now, I wanted to cover a little bit about the iSkin app in this video, as well as show you why I chose to overview this app and how you guys can go ahead and install it. iSkin is an app developed by tooliphone.net that allows you to change the default iOS application icons with custom ones. You can browse and install themes created by the community, or even upload and design your own personal theme. Now, the tool has been around for a number of years now, and there are a whole array of user-submitted themes that you can choose to install. The reason I like this app so much is that it really is easy to use, has a great selection of themes, and best of all, it allows you to create your own themes or use themes without a jailbreak or Cydia. So jumping into the prerequisites, you need to make sure that you have a device running iOS 13. Now, I believe this will work with other versions of iOS as well, but I am going to do this tutorial assuming that you guys have installed iOS 13. On my iPhone 10 here, I have iOS 13.5 installed. So if you run into issues on other versions of iOS or even with iOS 13, be sure to leave your comments below the video and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. This will work on any device that iOS 13 currently runs on, including the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. So let's get into the install process. Now, I'm doing this on my iPhone 10, as you can see here, and the first step is to open up Safari and load a website. I kind of previewed this a little bit earlier in the video, but this is the iSkin website. Now, this theming tool will only work with Safari, so you will need to use Safari instead of another browser, so no Chrome or anything like that. Now, I will put the link to the site in the description below so that you have easy access to it, but again, if you are watching this in the YouTube app on your phone or iPad, you need to open the link in Safari on your device that you want to install a theme on. So go ahead and load up that website. Now, once you are on the website, to make this easy, I like to install the iSkin web app right on my home screen, as you can see right there. So the second step is to just install it on the home screen for convenience. To do that, click the button on the middle bar of Safari with the up arrow, and then you can scroll down and you should see a section that says Add to Home Screen. Go ahead and click this and you will get another screen. You can go ahead and name it anything that you want up here. I personally called mine iSkin, and then go ahead and click Add in the upper right, and the icon will appear next to the other apps on your home screen. So you have officially installed the iSkin web app. Super easy, guys, and this is what we're going to use throughout the video. So logically, the next step is to go ahead and install a theme. So on the website, you're going to go ahead and load the website again, And on the website, you can scroll through a number of different themes right here on the home page, and there are a few ways to install the themes. So the process is pretty similar for each, but I'll start with the home screen. Let's say that you saw a theme that you liked here on the home screen. Let's say I like this Magnificent Edition B. Go ahead and click on it, and it will take you to the theme's description page. Now here you can read a short little description about the theme or other info about the theme. You can also scroll down to see some pictures about the theme, and if you go further, you can see an install theme section on each theme's page. Now this section lists everything included with the theme, including application icons and other aspects like lock screens and home screens. You can also create other icons like blank icons or make your own custom icons here for your own theme. So for example, if you click on application icons, which I will do here, it will show you all of the icons that are included with this theme. Now I'm not going to get into the process of creating your own icons for a theme in this video, as it does walk you through that on the developer's website if you click use your own custom icons, but I'm going to show you how to install icons like this as well as the other aspects of the theme. So to install a theme, you will need to click on icons that you want. I'm going to go ahead and click on a bunch of them here, and obviously to get the full effect of the theme, you will also need to install all aspects like the wallpapers and everything included with the theme to have the complete look and feel of each design. And just as a plug, outside of the application icons, the wallpapers and every aspect of the theme is installed in a similar way. So just go ahead and click on the section that you want to install, and then you can go from there. So with these application icons, I already have selected the icons that I want to install. You can also select quick actions here at the top and go ahead and select all of the icons or none of the icons or however many you want. But keep in mind that however many icons you choose, this is what's going to be installed with your theme. Now once you have the icons selected, go ahead and scroll down and you will see a Generate Theme button. Go ahead and click this and it will go ahead and download a profile. Go ahead and click Allow when you see this pop up, and then it will say the profile has been downloaded. You have officially downloaded the theme. As you can see, it says we need to go into the settings app, so go ahead and click close, go to the home screen, and then you want to open settings. Once you open settings, you should see that there is a profile downloaded section at the top. Go ahead and click this, and then you can go ahead and click install. Go ahead and enter your passcode here, click install again, and then go ahead and click done. Now when you go to the home screen, you will see that all of the icons from your theme or whatever aspect you were looking to download have been added to the home screen aside your other icons. Now the install process for the wallpapers and the lock screens is very similar. On the website, you can go ahead and click back to the theme page that we were on, and if you go ahead and click home screen, the wallpapers or the lock screen wallpapers are much easier. It actually has the images linked here. So go ahead and click that. It will show you the actual image, and then you go ahead and hold on it, and you can go ahead and click Add to Photos. After you add this to Photos, you simply go into the Settings application and change your wallpaper to the photos that you downloaded for both the lock screen and the home screen. Now, when you have downloaded all the aspects of your theme and all of the elements of your theme, your device should look drastically different, and you can have a totally different look and feel of your device. So make sure that you do actually download all aspects of the theme if you want the true look and feel of each theme in the way that it was supposed to be set up. I obviously just installed the application icons here, but the website has a whole directory of themes, and if you didn't see anything that you liked on the homepage, you can definitely search the other directories on the site for other options. There are a ton. Now I want to get serious for a second. Before we move into using your device with these new themes, I just want to respond to the comments that I have been seeing on many of my videos saying, this is a virus, this doesn't work, it's fake, it's a scam. Just to put you guys at ease, this is not a virus. None of my videos are ever viruses. That is never my intention. My intention is to show you how to customize your device without a jailbreak with themes and jailbreak apps. It's to benefit you, not harm your device in any way. I run these tutorials on my daily driver iPhones for entertainment. I don't do it to harm anyone's devices, and these are just profiles from developers that you can uninstall if you don't like them. I've never had any issues. It doesn't brick your device or anything like that. It doesn't take over your device. It's a contained app, and profiles are even used in things like updates for beta software from Apple, so they're not inherently dangerous. They're just themes or contained apps. Best of all, it doesn't even require a jailbreak. That's the whole point. Apple's security and file system is still intact, no jailbreak needed, and you haven't risked anything really because there isn't a hack. It's simply an alternative to Cydia. You won't break your device. I just want to be clear about that and my intentions, just so everyone knows. So that said, let's move on to using the themes. Now on your home screen with the new theme, I'll show you how these icons work and how you can further customize the theme of your device. So first, the icons themselves. Now, the icons are linked to application codes for Safari, so when you press on them, they first jump into Safari and then they open the application that you are looking for. So as a demo, I'll go ahead and click on this Chrome button here, and I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see, it says it wants to open Chrome. Go ahead and do that and click open. Usually you won't actually get a pop-up, but that's actually how it works. Honestly, in my opinion, this functionality is not ideal, but for a quick second or two, animations and pop-ups with the trade-off of having the themes in your device, I can definitely deal with it. Now you may also see black windows within your multitasking view when using themes. These are just the remnants of the apps opening from new icons. You can swipe up and force quit these. No issues with memory or slowdowns in my experience. And there are some bugs. Not all the icons work with some themes, but you really need to play around with it to find out. So if some icons don't work, you can always make your own icon for the theme using the create your own option of iSkin, which is very, very good. So this is a very versatile app. Now, honestly, in my experience, these themes look the best when you move all of the stock icons into folders, or as many as possible into folders, and you tuck the folders away in the dock or in a non-intrusive position on your device, like on the last page of your device. This feels like you have installed icons on your device in the way that we used to use Winterboard or Summerboard or Anemone back in the day with a Jailbreak, as you can't see the stock icons, and all of the functionality mentioned earlier in the video still works with these apps, even without a jailbreak, which is pretty awesome. You can also make the themes even better by utilizing blank icons, which are available on iSkin in the create your own theme section as well. So by creating blank icons, for example, you can honestly have openings between the different apps here. When you go ahead and scroll around, there should be like a blank opening like right there if you had a blank icon. And by creating these blank icons, you can leave blank spaces, and honestly it'll allow you to see the wallpaper, create cool patterns or other designs, further customizing your device. So the versatility is really why I like these themes for the iSkin app. Now, if you no longer like a theme and you want to change or simply go back to the stock design of the iOS device, there's a very easy way to do that. Basically, if you go back into settings and then you go into general profiles, you will see the profiles that we installed for these themes. Go ahead and click on the one that you want to remove and go ahead and click remove profile and then follow the same process to remove it. So very, very easy. Now for wallpapers or other images, simply change the wallpaper in the settings application as well. And for blank icons, you'll need to delete the profiles as well. And if that doesn't work, you can definitely try wiggle mode like this and go ahead and just click delete bookmark, or actually just click the X. Now once these aspects of the theme are gone, you will be good to go. Nothing will be left on your device related to the themes or to the iSkin app. So in the end, what are my thoughts on the iSkin theming app? Honestly, I just love the reliability and the versatility of the system. I don't see this functionality ever really going away because it's simply, at its core, adding themed web clips to your phone home screen and then launching real apps just to change the design or look and feel of your device. There's no hacking, no risks like jailbreaking, and it fits right into the iOS build. Also, I love how the themes add a fresh life and novelty to your device, almost making it feel different or more fun to use. This is especially awesome as iOS hasn't received a redesign since iOS 7, and this comes in handy there. I know they have an iOS 6 theme on iSkin, which was pretty cool. I was testing it out earlier today. Finally, uninstalling a theme is super easy when you have themes installed, so for the most part, you install, forget, use the themes. It's easy, and you can even create your own theme. So there's a lot to like here, and I have to credit the developers at tooliphone.net for a really cool experience here with the service. Now, if you have any questions related to iSkin, leave your thoughts in the comments down there below, and I will do my best to help you guys out. And I definitely enjoy this service, so hopefully you do too. I want you to have the best experience possible. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you are interested in these types of videos, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel with bell notifications on so you don't miss my next upload. I really appreciate the engagement. It's what enables me to make these videos each week. I upload new videos every Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so check back then each week for the latest updates and leave me your comments below, guys, with the videos that you want to see. Definitely interested in that. Also, be sure to check out my other videos and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, my website, and my social media profiles, all below the video to see other exclusive updates. Thanks again, guys, and as always, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.